back to Cocktails for Quarantine. Today we're gonna make the Whiskey Smash. Probably rivaling the Old Fashioned as my favorite bourbon cocktail. Just a really wonderful, well-balanced and flavorful bourbon cocktail. It dates back to the 1880s, 1870s. I think they first seen some recipes show up in print. It's no wonder why it's stuck around so long. I think the first time I had it, I ordered 3 of them that night. It just blew my mind that something could be that tasty still pretty high proof kind of situation. It's a bourbon cocktail. We're gonna use a bonded Old Grandad today. You don't want to use anything that you're expecting the nuances of the flavor to show through. OGD bonded is pretty smooth, high proof. There's sugar in this cocktail, so it's fine to use a higher proof bourbon. If you want to use a regular 80 proof, a Bulleit or a Woodford, something like that, that's totally fine. Old Forester is used a lot as well for these cocktails. Today we're going to use the OGD 100. And then we've got some fresh mint, we've got a lemon, and some simple syrup. I'm using Demerara syrup today, which is the same as simple, it's just made with raw sugar. You can make simple at home super easily. 1 part sugar, 1 part water, heat it up, let it dissolve, and there you go. So let's put this cocktail together. If you've never had one before, I think you're really gonna enjoy it. So we need a shaker. I've got a 10 on 10 here today, and we're going to start by putting some mint leaves in there. So I think 4 to 5 leaves is plenty in this situation. Man, it smells good. Love mint. Save that for garnish later. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a quarter of a lemon and cut it into 3 or 4 pieces. And then we're going to put this all in the bottom of the shaker. And we're going to put the bourbon in there with it. 2 ounces of your bourbon of choice. And then we're gonna muddle it. If you don't have a muddler, you can use the back of a wooden spoon, or the handle of a wooden spoon. Anything that you can press down on the ingredients and express the flavors out of there. You wanna get the mint oils out of the mint leaves, the juice out of the pieces of our lemon, but you don't wanna to chop it up, because you're not getting the oils out. You're just kind of breaking things up. So pressing down is really what we're doing here, and that'll make it yummy. And then we're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. Beautiful. Then we need some ice in our shaker. All right. And we'll put all those things in here. I'm gonna shake it up for a good 30 seconds. I really wanna get all those flavors out and mixed together. All right. That's gonna be beautiful. All right, get a rocks glass. Put our large cube in here. And we're gonna double strain it. You don't have to double strain it if you don't want to. There'll be some little bits of the mint leaves, and maybe a little bit of the lemon and stuff like that floating around. So I like to double strain, just make sure Most things end up in the drink. And then, actually, hold on, let me do the pros. Slap it on the back of the hand. Get the scent of the mint. Oh man, that smells great. Could probably use some more leaves there, but that's all I got right now. Man, that smells fantastic. That's such a good cocktail. Can't wait to drink this. There is your Whiskey Smash. And thanks for joining us today on Cocktails for Quarantine. And we'll see you next time.
Cocktails for Quarantine.